Working from home? Struggling with distractions, clutter, or discomfort? What if I told you that a few simple gadgets could turn your home office into a productivity powerhouse? From ergonomic upgrades to smart tech, I've got the best gadgets to take your home office setup to the next level. Let's dive in. Ergonomic chair. It supports posture, reduces back pain, has adjustable armrests and lumbar support. Sitting all day? A good chair is a game changer. Look for ergonomic designs like the Herman Miller Aeron or Secret Lab Titan. Standing desk or a desk converter. Switch between sitting and standing. It reduces strain and improves focus. Standing desks like Uplift or Flexi Spot keep you active and energized throughout the day. Here are some tech upgrades for productivity. Ultra-wide monitor or a dual monitor setup. With more screen space, your multitasking can be made easy, and it's perfect for editing, coding, or spreadsheets. Noise-canceling headphones. They block distractions and boost focus. The best options are Sony WH-1000XM5 or the Bose 700. Wireless mouse and mechanical keyboard. They're comfortable, efficient, and customizable. The Logitech MX Master 3S and the Keychron K3 are the perfect combo. Now here's some smart tech for a better workspace. Smart lighting like the Philips Hue and Govee. You can adjust brightness and color temperature, and it reduces eye strain and sets the mood. Smart speakers, Amazon Echo and Google Nest. It's got hands-free productivity, set reminders or control devices, and you could play focus music or take calls easily. Wi-Fi upgrade, mesh system or a Wi-Fi 6 router. With fast, stable connection, there will be no lag in video calls. The best picks are the Aero 6 or the Asus RT AX86U. Here's some other small gadgets that have a big impact. Desk fan or an air purifier to stay cool and breathe fresh air. USB hub or docking station to connect all your devices with ease, and a cable management kit so you can declutter and stay organized. And there you have it, game-changing tech to transform your home office. Which gadget is a must-have for your setup? Let us know in the comments.